before you start, you do your washing. So most of the ingredients will be washed. Some of them have also been washed already. In the traditional homes, in the absence of vinegar, you just put salt in water and you use that to wash your vegetables and you're good to go.
You see your body carry something I never understand.
My name is Evan Grimes, and this experience is unforgettable to me for many reasons. One, I'm carrying a baby on my back. Amazing. I love the kids. And Banku is one of my friends' favorite things, and I learned how to make it today from scratch. And that is sentimental more than anything else. And I'm excited to share it with him.
Would you stay with me as I know no man? You go there with me for life.
So we are having Team Banku and then Team Jollof. Team Banku and Team Jollof. Yes.
Hi, my name is Vernisa Tutu Brown. I come from America in Florida. My name is Alma Tutu because I was born on a Saturday. And I am in the community in Ghana called Macrobi. And this has been a very rewarding experience. We just experienced an amazing cooking class. I've learned some amazing dishes. Bansu, I think is the name of it. I made it. I got a couple videos of that. It was very, very inspirational because all of the ladies in the compound, which are cousins, sisters, my mom, they all embraced us and taught us these authentic Ghanaian meals. I enjoyed that. I also found out that, yes, 16 families can stay in the same compound together and get along, majority women, which is something that we don't experience in America. That was amazing. I also found out there's a lot of entrepreneur women in Ghana, and right in the front of the compounds, there's a business in front of each one of them that just happens, majority of them are being ran by the women that live in that compound. So this has been an amazing experience for myself being an entrepreneur. That really, really reminded me that was considering I am 11% Ghanaian, I know where the strong will came from to do what I do as an entrepreneur. So this has been an amazing experience.
My name is Erica Locke Williams from West Palm Beach, Florida. We had a great cooking class here in Mamprobi, Rimbo. I made egg stew, okra stew, jollof rice, and some other stuff. And it was excellent. Excellent food, excellent experience. Food is very fresh, and I've taken notes and videos because I plan to cook this when I go back home. Great cooking class. Everyone should experience this.
I see the Ghana Jollof where I chop, fuck up my brain. What she give me for that early mama, 7:45. I tell them I know really the staff, cover the plate. Me whenever they taste, but I they salivate. The thing they hot, the thing they jig. Nobody say the pepper full of too much, but it they kick.